Y'all see how that blends in so perfect with my natural hair? And then I'm gonna do the same thing on this side.
The same way you used to, I require more, better than we ever had before. Gonna be home, so I couldn't blame. Basic bottom troll with you want greater. I am no wave, be surfing.
This is the best that my hair has ever blended in with a VPart, U-part, any of those type of wigs. This wig blends in perfectly with my natural texture. If you have a 4A, 4B texture, then you are going to love this VPart wig right here. It definitely stays in place, unlike some other VPart wigs I've received. They have a plastic piece inside to keep its shape, so it stays right here in place. And then they also have some wig combs if you would like to use that as well. But I just absolutely love the curl pattern of this hair. I did go in and define the curls on this wig, and I definitely recommend that you do that. Today's VPart wig is from WavyMy hair, and this is my first time trying out a wig from this hair company, and I am just pleasantly surprised by how gorgeous and how easy my natural hair blended in with this wig. If you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, go ahead, hit that subscribe button down below, and make sure that the bell is turned on so you're notified as soon as your girl posts a new video. And if you would like to see how I installed this gorgeous VPart wig from WavyMy hair, y'all know what to do. Definitely keep watching. So let's go ahead and unbox this wig from WavyMy hair. And this is a VPart wig. It's been a minute since I've done a VPart wig, and the wig did come with some freebies. We've got hair clips, an edge brush, press-on nails, and they got a little messed up in shipping, but that's okay, and an HD wig cap. And here is the wig. It does come with this little piece on the front. I'm assuming that I cut that. And it does have wig clips in the front of the hair to keep it in place, as well as a wig comb in the back here. It also has this adjustable strap as well. And here is the texture of the hair. As you can see, it is a kinky curly texture, and it is 18 inches long, y'all. Very pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this little piece in the front. So I pulled out some of my hair up top for the VPart. As you can see, this is not one of those wigs that you can just leave out no hair with the VPart. So please keep that in mind. If you want to get this wig, that you will have to use some leave out, okay? So let's go ahead and put the wig back on our head. And there's a little piece that's keeping all of this together up here, y'all. So you don't have to use the wig clips if you don't want to. So we're gonna go ahead and define the curls on this wig, y'all. So let's go ahead and wet down this hair, y'all. Next, I'm gonna take a little bit of mousse, and we're gonna use this to define the curls. This smells really good, y'all. It smells like roses. Then I'm gonna take my wet brush and just brush through the curls. So make sure y'all are defining these kinky curly textures, y'all. Otherwise, it's gonna look like this, which I mean, isn't a bad vibe, but this looks a lot better, right? So make sure y'all define those curls. I'm gonna go ahead and define the curls on this side, and then we'll be back to diffuse the hair. So now it's time to diffuse the hair. This is the Infinity Pro Natural Texture Styling System, and it comes with this diffuser, and it's meant for curly, wavy textures. I'm gonna go ahead and diffuse this hair now. So this side is nice and dry. I'm gonna go ahead and do this side. As you can see, it does add quite a bit of volume to the hair as well. So I highly recommend diffusing the hair if you wanna add extra volume to the hair. So I went ahead and diffused the hair, y'all, and it looks really beautiful. As you can see, the curls look really nice and full and fluffy now. I am gonna go ahead and just pick this up a bit at the top so we can get a little bit more volume up here. Nothing crazy, just a little bit. And I'm also gonna do the same thing just around the hair here, okay? So lastly, it's time to get my hair together, and my hair is straight, but I'm gonna just part it down the middle, y'all. Okay, so I'm gonna work one side at a time. I'm gonna work on this side first. And basically all I'm gonna do is saturate the hair with some water. It's really best to do this when your hair is already in its natural state, y'all, okay? So that's going to get it back curly quicker. It's getting there, it's getting there. Next, I'm gonna take this Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink curling gel, and this stuff is really good. It elongates your curls and it keeps my curls looking defined and nice. So this is gonna be perfect for this particular style, y'all. Y'all see how that blends in so perfect with my natural hair? And then I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. And then I'm gonna take the Aunt Jackie's curling gel again. Make sure that you get it on the edges as well and the top of the hair. And as you can see, I'm just taking my fingers to get the curls saturated. I'm not using a brush for this. There you go, y'all. Look at that. You cannot tell me that blend does not look freaking flawless. OMG, y'all. I'm so excited with how this VPart wig turned out. I definitely recommend diffusing your hair to get that extra volume with this wig. And then when you blend it in with your natural hair, it's just gonna look so good. Like I said, if you have a 4A, 4B type texture, this is gonna blend in really great with your hair. Even if you have a 4C texture, I would recommend this Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink because it's an elongating gel, and this works really great at holding your curls down if they tend to shrink up all the time. So if you're interested in checking out this wig, I will leave a link down below to WavyMy Hair's website, as well as any coupon codes that they provide me with. If you would like to see more VPart wig installs, definitely give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section down below. I am also thinking about doing an updated natural hair care type video because I've really been trying to take care of my hair. I'm trying to grow it to waist length, y'all. I'm at bra strap length right now, so we got a little ways to go, okay? So if you would like to join me on that journey, definitely let me know in the comments. And if you haven't already checked out my latest Get Ready With Me video, I'm gonna leave the link right here. Make sure you go watch that next.